Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So welcome back to another video everybody. Today is actually a very exciting day for me, and it's actually a little bit different to what I would usually do. I know I've actually said that in the last video as well, but it's quite an exciting day as well. It is related to the YouTube channel, but that's where it stops. It's not actually related to investing in some people's mind, but in today's video we are going to be unboxing a piece of equipment that I've actually invested in for my YouTube channel. And I think you guys are really going to like the way that it improves the channel and hopefully like the unboxing. So let's head on to it right now. So the item that I'm actually unboxing in today's video was sparked in my interest quite a while ago, but it was brought up to me by somebody online who has been helping me and giving me a bit of advice with helping to create a YouTube video. They are a professional YouTuber themselves, but they wish to remain nameless. God, I get jumbled up sometimes when I'm excited. But they recommended getting a microphone, and that is what I've actually gone and done today. And I've actually gotten one for a pretty good price. It is a good microphone, but it's more of a start-off one because I didn't want to put a massive amount of money into getting a microphone until like this channel was actually starting to generate more income, really. So we'll head on to the unboxing now, but I thought I'd give you guys a bit of context, but I'm so excited to open it up. I always wait right until the start of the YouTube videos. Whenever something comes, it's always a pain. I'm just like waiting because I really want to open it, but I know I want to do it on the video. So genuine unboxing, let's head into it right about now. Alright, so I actually purchased this item off of Amazon. As you can see, we've got the little Amazon Australia logo there. And in fact, if you guys, and I will plug the microphone in and give you guys a bit of an idea of the audio quality, if you guys would actually like to get one of these yourself, feel free to use the link in the description. You should be able to get a better price for it, if not the regular price, but a good link in the description if you'd like to grab one yourself, along with lots of other good things. I'm just so excited. Let's head into it. So I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to break the item. How do you open these? Is there a separate way? I've actually never really ordered much stuff online before except for gold and silver, so this will be pretty interesting. Also, this noise would be a pain if I had the microphone on right now. It'd be breaking your ears, but we will open up. Oh, there we go. Not too fussy about the packaging, but here we go. So here we have the PowerDeWise, what's it called? Lavalier microphone. So it's a lapel microphone. It goes on your shirt. And here we have it, PowerDeWise. Very interesting name for a company, but I'm so excited to open it up, so let's head into it. We'll go straight in here. Oh, exciting. So the reason that I did in particular want to get this microphone was because of the case it comes with. I know it's a weird thing to be wanting to get the microphone for, but I'm very happy that it... We'll let the box go. I'm very happy that it does come with a little carry bag. We've got a 1-year warranty. I can register that by scanning it with the website. Huh. That's interesting. Saying there's a freebie of some sorts in here. But, you know, good, easy vlogging there. Good packaging, nice bag. This is the bit that I'm really happy about, and it's the fact that it has a 2-meter extension cable, which would be very helpful for me because it may not seem like it, but you guys are actually quite a far distance away from me. Even my arm's length is still at least another 30 centimeters, so it is quite a distance. But oh, this is actually pretty good. I didn't expect all of these things. I didn't actually see that it came with all this. We've got a cleaning cloth for the microphone. That's very nice. As we've got the cord as mentioned. We've got what looks like an extra adapter and some covers for the microphone. I believe this should be the actual microphone now. There we go. We've got the lapel microphone. So we've got a little clip with it. Oh, nice. So you just pull it out, clip it on. Wow, this is long. Maybe it's a 2-meter extension cable on top of the regular thing. Wow, this is exciting. We've got the little bag here. I'll just check up on what it is. We have just a regular cord. You put the actual plug for the microphone in there, and then it just plugs into another thing, and just some more little buffers on top of the microphone. Oh, that's exciting. Wow, I'm really excited to try this out. I wonder how the audio quality will be. Yes, it is another clip for that. It's actually very good quality stuff, you know, very nice finish on all of the products. They got like gold jacks there. Wow, you know I'd like my gold stuff. I'll take gold anything, but I'm actually really, really happy with this. And I got all of this, so which is a carry case, a cleaning cloth, replacement parts, an extra cord, an extension cord, the actual microphone. All of this you can get for 30 Australian dollars, which is very impressive, but we have to see what the actual audio quality is like, because that's where we actually see if the money was worth its amount. So I'm actually going to go and set this up, and I'll tell you guys how the setup was, if it was easy, hard, and you guys will actually get to hear the microphone quality, which I think is very exciting. I'm going to have to watch some tutorials about how far away to put it. I don't want to be making you cringe in your ears if you got those headphones on. You hear the blowing on the microphone, but I'll go set it up and see how it is. Hello everybody. How good is this? Oh my goodness. Now I have to tell you guys something that absolutely shook my mind. I plugged the microphone in before and was doing a little test, and then I went to listen and I was freaking out because I could not hear anything. And I was like, oh no, I just blew $30, because to me, you know, every dollar makes a difference. I'm going to count everything. And I just freaked because I was really excited, and I was like, oh no, did I miss something? Is there an on button on this microphone or whatever? Then I see, unplug the mic to listen to the result. Usually all you need to do. Oh, thank goodness. And it was so good. I cannot explain how positively I feel about this microphone. You know, I might end up even clipping it to this little plant here, and we can use the plant as the microphone, but I'm just going to keep testing it a bit to find the best possible arrangement for the microphone. And in fact, what I didn't expect to actually work was I didn't even have to use the extension cord. The regular cord was just enough for me. The thing is, I do have a iPhone 7, so the phone cord doesn't actually, the headphone jack doesn't go into these like slightly newer model of phone, and so I just had to use the adapter, which was no problem. Just plugs into my phone easily. You know, no app or anything like a lot of different things have. You just plug it in and you're ready to go. So I'm really happy with this, and I think it's genuinely going to increase the quality of the videos. I think that it's going to increase everything as a viewer for you guys to hear, and I'm really excited about this. To me, this was definitely a $30 very, very well spent, and in fact, it came very quickly. I ordered this back on, well, it wouldn't actually make sense if you're watching this much in the future, but I did order this Tuesday, and it is now Friday, and it did actually come very quickly. I did get a free Amazon Prime trial as soon as I went to the checkout, and everybody here watching gets a free Amazon Prime trial if you use the link in the description. Get a free Kindle trial, get a free Amazon Audible trial, get everything free. Lots of awesome links to help you out in the description, as well as some other really good products to help you with your financial journey. And even if you're starting a YouTube channel, some great stuff like this. Now, a big thank you to the person that helped me and recommended this microphone, because I saved so much money compared to getting a professional microphone. I know you guys can tell the difference in the quality of this. It is probably so much better. You can even hear me do something like this, which you wouldn't usually be able to hear on a regular microphone, which is the regular phone camera microphone, which is very good. And this does actually plug into cameras if you need so. So if I do choose to upgrade to a proper camera, which is obviously a little while away because the camera is a big investment, and given I'm still a little bit lower, you know. Also, thank you very much. We just hit 125 subscribers, which is crazy. We started on Tuesday, we were on 80 in the morning, and then the Bully Now video came out, which if you haven't seen yet, I'd recommend watching my interview with Bully Now. But then I had heaps of people flowing in from there, and it's really just taken off. So a massive thank you to everyone. I thought it was definitely time to celebrate, upgrade some equipment, and I'm really happy with it. That's all for now, guys. I say this every time. That's all for now, guys. I actually have some really exciting unboxings coming up soon of more precious metals, as well as some more videos about all the different types of investing. So make sure to stay tuned. We've got some awesome stuff going on with silver at the moment. You know, we just hit 32 Australian dollars an ounce. I'm going crazy for those viewers of precious metals. I'm so excited. So that's very exciting. Lots of awesome stuff coming up, but I'll end the video here. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I would definitely recommend one of these using the link in the description. That's all for now, guys. I keep on saying it. I'm just going to go. Goodbye, everyone. Love talking to you. Until next time. Goodbye. This thing is so fancy.